Alright, so what are we doing today?
Wrapping.
We're gonna be wrapping the new Q in lavender. Got it from our vinyl. The name of the wrap is from Avery Dimension. We got the heat gun, and then she's gonna be doing her logo and the back chrome pieces. Is that right?
I'm not doing the background pieces.
Oh, you're not. So just this and the roof.
The spoiler.
So the emblem, and then we'll be doing the roof purple. Then we're gonna get rid of these stock rims. These are 17 inches. And then we're gonna be putting those rims on here. It's stock. This is our Instagram, little tour. Got a little butterfly. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Kinda jealous of this. This is really nice. Illuminated cake plates. And then you're wrapping this spoiler in purple, right?
Yeah.
So it'll be like that. Now it's time to wrap this spoiler. How long took you to wrap that? Like 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, 20 minutes. We had to redo it, but it looks pretty good now. Not much silver. Not too bad.
Not much silver. There's no silver.
There's a little bit.
Yeah, up here.
It's not what I meant.
Slide it over just a little bit.
So you want me to keep sliding until you got all of it?
Until about halfway, and then I can stop sliding. It's not a hard It's just a lot.
Yeah, it's consuming.
Little by little.
You're getting it done.
Because it's not like curvy and it's not like a lot of cutting. It's just, it's gotta be.
There you go. What do you think? Now you just need to get rid of the chrome. Just take a look at the front. It's a nice color purple. Whatever. Thanks for watching. This is our first ever YouTube channel. We'll be posting our upgrades to our cars. Sometime tomorrow, I'll be posting a meet where things got a little heated for a race. Honestly, I was not expecting them to race for money, but hey, it is what it is. It was supposed to be Q50 versus Q50, AMS versus Soho. I couldn't record the race because they backed out. However, I did record of what happened after the fact. So turn on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. She also just got some Flowmaster mufflers. We'll do a before and after clip on those. Custom DRL headlights. We'll do a DIY install on those so you can save that money. We'll film that install video. Don't sweat it. It's a Q thing.